Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install EV charging alerts using PlugShare notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by opening the PlugShare app on your device. If you haven't already, sign into your account or create a new one. Once logged in, navigate to the Settings option in the menu. In the Settings menu, look for the Notifications section. Tap on Notifications to access your alert preferences. You will see various notification options related to charging stations. Enable the toggle for charging alerts. Next, select your preferred notification method. You can choose to receive alerts via push notifications, email, or SMS. Now, return to the main screen of the app. Search for your favorite charging stations or those you frequently use. Once you find a station, tap on it to view more details. Look for the option that says Set Alert or Add Alert. Tap on that option to create a notification for that specific station. You will be prompted to choose parameters for the alert. Select the criteria for when you want to be notified. This could include when a station becomes available or a specific charge level. After setting your preferences, confirm the alert. You'll see a confirmation message that your alert has been successfully set. Repeat this process for any additional charging stations you want alerts for. Now you're all set to receive notifications for EV charging stations. Enjoy the convenience of staying updated on charging availability. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.